This simple Captcha generator project is in Python. Talking about the features of this system, this Python application is designed to create various captcha with each refresh button click. The user analyzes the captcha image and tries to enter correct letters and numbers in the text field by looking at the image. Moreover, the user can also refresh and select the next captcha if they cannot understand the existing captcha value. Also, the design of this system is pretty simple so that the user won't get any difficulties while working on it. Step 1. Go inside the project folder, open CMD, then install the dependencies by executing the following command if needed. pip install tk, pip install pillow, pip install captcha. Step 2. Type Python generatecaptcha.py and enter to start the system. The Captcha generator in Python with source code is free to download, use for educational purposes only. For the project demo, you can have a look at the video.